To the modern imagination, the universe can seem like an incomprehensibly vast and complex place. The Earth a mere blip, a cosmic accident. Well, if you find that unsettling, then here's a beautiful and perhaps reassuring alternative. In this object is a very different vision. A vision that extends right back to the 2nd century Alexandrian mathematician Claudius Ptolemy. Here we have, contained within these elegant rings, tidy and symmetrical, the entire universe. Known as an armillary sphere, this instrument survived right throughout the medieval period into the early modern era, and it came to symbolize that most noble queen of the sciences, astronomy. It wasn't until the middle of the 16th century, with the Polish mathematician Nicholas Copernicus, that this concept was seriously challenged. Held stationary at the center is the Earth, represented by this small brass sphere, and about it rotate a set of rings representing the heavens, the celestial sphere, one complete rotation being a day. The sphere is mounted at the celestial poles, which defines the axis of rotation, and its structure includes an equatorial ring and two smaller rings parallel to the equatorial ring. To the north is the Tropic of Cancer, and to the south, the Tropic of Capricorn. Just touching these two smaller rings is another brass ring, which crosses the equatorial ring at the equinoxes, the times of equal hours of day and night. This represents the unique pathway of the Sun as it travels through the zodiac on its annual journey.
So what happens when you put a sine wave on the moon map and you put it on a 3D ball? Exactly. Look at the thick line in the middle. The arc is lying next to our crater, and it is changing the crater into Atlantis, the rings of Saturn and the box. If an armillary sphere is giving you a perfect explanation of the universe, why are you at a certain point in time switching to the solar system?
It wasn't until the middle of the 16th century, with the Polish mathematician Nicholas Copernicus, that this concept was seriously challenged.
Reading about this story about Copernicus and the Pope, it struck me like another red pill, blue pill story. The battle between left brain and right brain.
Held stationary at the center is the Earth, represented by this small brass sphere.
Religion, the stationary Earth, against science, the heliocentric model. And the solution is when you put the two theories together. And now another example of scientific lunacy.
Ptolemy's system reliably predicted the future behavior of the planets. Another step in man's journey to understand and control the universe.
The Ptolemaic system was extremely complex. It had all these planets going in loops, and it worked beautifully, but it was just wrong. The idea that you can predict something doesn't mean you understand the fundamental principles behind it. The idea that you can predict something doesn't mean you understand the fundamental principles behind it.
Now this is the Ptolemaic system. Did Ptolemy know that we are on a bigger Earth? And did he know that the sun, moon, and the universe are a reflection of the bigger Earth? It would be interesting to look at the original work of Ptolemy, but lots of these original works have been lost, deliberately or not. But that would be the subject of a whole new video. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and thanks for all your comments.